Hello guys. This is a simple guide on how to use Syncios data recovery software for Windows. First, launch Syncios dSavior on your PC. With a few steps and simple operation, it can recover any data for you. In the main interface, you can choose one device to scan. You can have a specific scanning for recycle bin, desktop, or choose one customized folder to scan. For example, we choose the local disk and start the scanning process. dSavior will perform the fast scan and deep scan sequentially. You can see a progress bar below. And in the left panel, you can search for the files you need to recover by catalog or type. You can see that dSavior supports data recovery for various files types, including images, documents, audio, video, even program, etc. Besides, you can filter files by date, size, or other features. Now, let's look for the deleted files. If you find the file you need, you can click it and tap the preview button in the left panel. Here you can see all the thumbnails of your deleted files that can be recovered. Now, let's start the official recovery. For example, if I want to recover a deleted video, I just click the files and find the deleted videos I want. Tick the target one. Even during the scanning process, you still can recover files. You can choose to hit the button to pause the scanning if you like. Then, choose another available file folder to preserve your files. Click the confirm button and your files will be recovered immediately. You can tap recovered, and it will pop up the file folder that you chose to preserve files. It allows you to check if your deleted files are recovered successfully. Open the video we just recovered. We can find that it plays fine now. Thanks for watching.